how to remove credit or debit card from TikTok account. Hello everybody, in this video we are going to show you how you can do it, so let's start. For that you can open up the TikTok application on your screen first. And then once you open up TikTok, you should be finding this. Now from here you may head over to your profile in the bottom right corner. And then once you tap on it, you may tap on the menu bar at the top right corner of your screen. And then go ahead and select the option called balance from the menu. Once you select balance, you will be finding this interface. So if you've already got some balance on your screen, you should be finding an option called transactions. You can go ahead and tap on it, or withdraw, something similar. Just go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, you will be finding a payment method available. All you gotta do is simply tap on payment method that you've already added. Right now we have this. At the top of your screen, you should be finding a manage option. Go ahead and tap on it. And after tapping on it, here you should be finding your account. Just go ahead and click on it. Then after clicking on it, clicking on your bank account, click on delete option from your screen. And once you do that, it should remove your credit or debit card account. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.